Jerry Pinielosa. Marahil halos lahat sa atin ay kilala na talaga siya sa larangan ng boxing. Naging mukha na rin siya sa sports na to dahil sa rami ng mga nakabakbakan niya at sa mga parangal na dinala niya sa ating bansa. Sa bidyong ito ay pag-usapan natin ang naging pag-agaw niya sa titulong WBO bantamweight kontra sa paborito, mas matangkad at mas batang Mexican champion na si Johnny Gonzalez. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman pre, lalo na sa mga Bisaya dira nga hilig pud og boxing. August 11, 2007, naganap ang nasabing laban sa Arco Arena sa Sacramento, California. Dala-dala ng veteranong Pinoy ang kartadang 51 wins, 6 losses, 2 draw, habang si Gonzalez naman ay may record na 34 wins at 5 talo.
There's the line right here. See that, coach? 12 rounds for the championship of the world. Touch off your gloves, come out at the bell. Good luck.
Sa buong round ng laban ay talagang nahirapan na makatira ng solidong punch ang ating kababayan dahil sa husay ng paggamit ng Meksikano ng kaniyang mahabang kamay o reach advantage at sa husay ng paggamit niya sa ring. Sa tuwing aatake si Pinielosa ay uunahan agad ito ng jab, kaya di basta-basta makapasok ng solidong suntok ang ating kababayan. Bodega ang punteriya ng ating kababayan at paminsan-minsan ay nakakatama naman siya. Pero sa round 7 ay nakapasok si Pinielosa sa higpit ng depensa ng kampiyon at sa pull ng solidong left hook ang bodega ng Meksikanong kampiyon dahilan ng pagbagsak nito sa lona. Pinipilit pa niyang makatayo at para mahabol ang bilang ng referee, pero talagang parang namartilyo sa sakit ang kaniyang bodega dahilan ng pagkatalo at pagkaagaw ng titulo. Panalo ang ating veteranong kababayan via 7th round knockout at tinanghal na bagong WBO bantamweight champion. Halina't sabay nating balikan at panoorin ang ilan sa mga highlights ng nasabing bakbakan.
He has to duck inside of his punches, not on the outside. But he's doing the right thing. He's got his hands up. He's not taking any silly shots in there. And he's moving in. He's putting a little pressure on Johnny.
Would you like to see a little more punch output from Gonzalez?
Top of the bell.
Gonzalez should remember this is only the first round, the figure-out round, so we're not really expecting too much. But right now they're really banging it out.
They figured it. Golden Boy Promotions and Oscar De La Hoya have put together a little tournament between
So he's not really trying to take the fight over and assert himself like he should be.
What should he do more of, Lennox?
Well, even the pressure on him, he's making him back up. He wants to get him against the ropes so he can take advantage of his shorter arms out of the two.
It seems as if Penalosa is slowly.
To slow Johnny down, realizing that he had to make weight, so that could be a good technical thing for him to do.
Gonzalez coming off a March 30th.
Too much steam behind him. He's just using his arms to really throw the punches.
When we talked with Penalosa in the fighter meeting, he was convinced that this fight would...
Really seemed optimistic of him really saying that, but we want to see him do it, and right now he needs to...
Right on the belt line by Gonzalez.
And Gonzalez threw a good body punch there, and a good...
Penalosa blocked most of that from Gonzalez.
And when he's ducking, he has to duck inside and come back with a combination punches. He doesn't really have to go after the head too much, but he can start out going after the body and then end off at the head. Close is right there in the middle. Johnny Gonzalez can shut his eyes and throw a punch, and Penalosa will still be there because he's not really giving you too much head movement.
Penalosa blocks that.
Headbutt.
So a counter shot from Penalosa. Looks to the head, works a jab. Gonzalez digs to the body.
28, Johnny Gonzalez. You know, Bob, Johnny Gonzalez is one of these slick stylists that once he gets into his rhythm, he's brutal to fight the guy. I mean, you know, he moves, he gets off of the jab, he touches you, he throws triple left hooks, he powers up points the way Virgil Hill used to do. Touches your moves, touches your moves, touches your...
As of right now, he's only landed 5 of 104 jabs in the fight. I think he'd want a little bit more accuracy with his jab.
Well, he definitely needs to step into it, throw a couple punches. They don't need to be hard, but, you know, Penalosa's there, and go to that body. Throw a couple jabs to the head, go step right to the body, put him up against the rope. In the round for Johnny Gonzalez is the wrong thing to do. He's to cut off the ring and push him against the ropes.
Gonzalez has had some success with that left.
He's there.
And Penalosa told us he wants to be busier after that loss.
He's in Johnny Gonzalez's punching distance, and if you look, Penalosa's trying to throw punches, but he's coming up short because Johnny Gonzalez has no use waiting till you hear that 10-second call on the mat and then try and win the round.
For Gonzalez. Penalosa doing too much following here and not enough cutting off of the ring.
Get his combination punches going. And you notice Johnny Gonzalez is using that left hand. He's not really putting too much power behind.
Left hook to the body, and Penalosa did nothing and just let it land.
It's like Penalosa wants to get hit first before he reacts and throws the combination. But when he reacts to throw a combination, Johnny Gonzalez in after. Is ready to react, ready to shorten that distance so he can gain better position to throw his punches because of the fact that he's got shorter arms. And here we go. This is where whoever wants it is going to take it right now.
Gonzalez keeps the distance.
You know, he shouldn't be trying to steal the rounds. He should be trying to win the rounds.
According to CompuBox, over the last 2 rounds, Gonzalez has outlanded Penalosa. And 18-pound championship against Jerry Penalosa. Still to come in our main event, Daniel Ponce de Leon defends his title against Ray Batista. It does get inside, but right away, Gonzalez fires back with the right hand.
And Penalosa needs to do something in a hurry because this fight's slipping away from him round by round unless he does something drastic. Both boxes.
Penalosa, a highly respected boxer in the Philippines. In fact, he may knock out Gonzalez at maybe one more fight and he's done. Good double left hook to the body though by Gonzalez.
Well, I haven't seen him throw a punch yet that really put Johnny Gonzalez on his heels or really that can concern him. And in his repertoire is the uppercut, which he throws very well.
Left hand by...
Right when Johnny Gonzalez is throwing a left hook.
Halfway through.
This kid's boxing beautifully. The thing that Penalosa doesn't do is he doesn't throw 2 punches at a time. I mean, when he gets in a good shot, it's always 1 punch and that's it. I don't know if it's his reflexes or the fact that Gonzalez is moving, but it's always 1 at a time. On the other hand, Gonzalez, when he digs that...
And use that left hand, not so much with the jab scoring, but as you said, a range finder and then using that left hook very effectively.
And he's got good poise in there. He's not in a hurry to do anything. Very relaxed in there. He knows what he wants to do.
For a guy that had to come down from 130 pounds to make the 118-pound limit. A little low.
Any time at all, he can do what he wants to. Anytime he wants to rest, all he does is get on his feet and move around.
Left hook to the side, Penalosa off balance. So each round is almost a carbon copy.
Really need to do something in there, and hopefully get Penalosa. And Penalosa still following him around. Good body shot.
Yeah, body shot puts Gonzalez down.
Shot. He's not even breathing. He cannot make it, and this is where the weight has an issue. Had no weight there.
What a turn of events. And maybe Penalosa knew something we didn't know. He said I'd stop him, and he did.
Really surprising blow. I was looking more for a stoppage with a knockout, not with a body punch.
At least according to our scorecards, Gonzalez.
That was definitely a liver shot. And here we go, left to the body. Right in the rear shot there. Always finds it very difficult to count if he would have got up from that shot. And here we see it from another angle. Penalosa ducking under, coming back with that left hook right to the liver. It was the perfect nowhere. We wanted Penalosa to do something in a hurry, and he did it.
Jerry Penalosa.
The 7th round, your winner by way of knockout and new WBO bantamweight champion